What is an LLC to LLC fiber optic keystone coupler jack? This is a device used to connect two LC fiber optic patch cords, enabling faster and more stable signal transmission. Its design allows for easy coupling of fiber optic interfaces, providing top-tier network transmission performance whether in homes, offices, or data centers. Every detail is precisely engineered, from the sturdy LC to LC interface to the high bandwidth and low latency transmission capabilities for network communication. Every element is dedicated to safeguarding your data transfer. Installation is quick and easy. Its snap-in design fits perfectly with any keystone wall plate and patch panel, even surface mount boxes. Fast and manageable installation is at your fingertips. Multimode compatibility means data transmission is as swift as the speed of light, ensuring rapid and stable data flow for office networks, data centers, and telecommunications systems alike. Whether you're upgrading an existing network or building a new network infrastructure from scratch, our fiber optic keystone coupler jack provides reliable performance support. It not only ensures the efficient operation of your network, but also lays a solid foundation for your future development. Van de Sale let technology accelerate the world.